Hey student, how are you? Hope you will fine. Welcome to the course of web development provided by JS Academy. First of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the further notification of our video. It is the fifth video of our playlist. So if you are new, so access the playlist, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and start from starting because it is the best course, web development course in whole YouTube. We will clear your doubt by comments. We will clear your all doubt, no problem. Personally, I am going to handle your doubt. So if you want to learn web development in a right way, so just subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and get ready to learn. Okay. In the earlier videos, we had learned about the basics, about the basic of HTML. But in this video, we are going to learn some advanced in HTML. Okay, HTML tables. In today's videos, we are going to learn about HTML table. Okay, what is HTML table? HTML table allow web developer to arrange data in row and column. You understand that what a table contain? A row and a column. It is used to arrange your data. Okay, in row or column. Okay, so let's start. If you want to become a good coder, so start writing the code immediately because a good coder write code more and more and practice code more and more. So let's make table dot html. Create your syntax by shift plus exclamation mark, hit the enter, and you will get your syntax. So let's change the title. The title should be table in table in HTML. Okay. Table in HTML. So first of all, give a heading to your page. The heading should be H1, heading 1, and it contains some like table. Table. Okay, let's do the inline styling. I am going to do inline styling. Style, style. I'm going to change the color. The color should be red. Okay, and one more thing I'm going to give the border. Border should be 2px solid. Now I had done inline styling, so let's check it out. Just save it and click the live server. Okay, see, you are done. One more thing I am going to do it, that text alignment. Okay, it is in the center. We are going to make a table. So this is your heading. So what is the syntax of a table? Sometimes HTML contains the proper syntax of something. In the table, it has a syntax that you have to write, that create the table in the same procedure that I am going to. Two or three tag required. So first of all, the tag should be table. The table tag is there, and table, inside the table it is required tr. Okay, table row, then th. Okay, In inside that you can write your headings, like I am writing company. Okay, then in, oh sorry, then in next I create again h and write contact, then again th, I'm creating that country, just saving it and go. See, it is containing the table company, contact and country. It is not visible because there is no line, so I am going to contain another tr, another row tr, and it is going to contain that some names th, uh, shubham, th, jas academy, then again th, it is going to contain u2. Okay, just save it and see, the it is containing the row. It is looking that odd because there is no line between them, but it is a part of styling, not a part of html. It is just creating your skeleton like structure. Okay, not the part of that your css, and the row, that is the line, these all are the part of your css. So just go back. Oh, sorry, one thing I had done wrong, that is td, it will contain td, sorry, th table headings is used, and td is used for table data. Okay, sorry, it is contained that gas academy, then again the thing is that u2, u2, now it will look great. See, it is the th means table heading and td means table data. You are creating the table heading and table data. Okay, table headings like bold, that we are earlier we studied that h1 h2 h3, and td means just you are getting giving your data in the table. Not so hard, but it, table cells, each table cells is defined as a td. Td tag is used to define the table cells, means there is a cells like structure in the table like this, and it is defined as the table td tag. Okay, td stand for table data. Okay, now table data elements are data container of the table. It will contain the data. They can contain all sorts of HTML element like text, images, list, and other table. TD contain all the text, images, list, other table elements. Okay, and the tr is used for, earlier told you, table row means in a row and a column, there are two things, but in this tr. Okay, now note, there are times where rows can have less and or more cells than another. Okay, means row should be less or more, it can be happen. Okay, have you seen your timetable in the school? That is also made by this tr or td. Okay, table data we can made by this also. Okay, table headers, some th table headers, this is th and it is a table header. Sometimes you want to your cells to be headers, you want to give your cell to heading, that period 1, period 2, monday, tuesday, wednesday, thursday, friday, and the data should be that english lecture, hindi lecture, math lecture, and then the recess. These are the data in the lecture, and the headings are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then the timings are the headings. Okay, no problem. And more you practice, more you learn. If you have any doubt, contact us. Just comment below the video, and we are going to solve your problem personally. I am going to solve your problem personally. Just comment under the video. Okay, and first subscribe the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon. So I am going to define you some tags in table. That a table tag define a table. TS tag define a header cell in the table. TR define a row. It is going to define a row in the table. And TD define the cells in the table, means that there are cells. TD, a small cells are there. Okay, I am going to show you. Okay, these are the cells: one cell, two cells, three cells, four cells, five cells, six cells. These are the cells. Okay, caption is also there. There are many things: column, row span, call span. There are many things to learn in this. Okay, so let's draw the border. Okay, let's draw the border. Okay, so I am going to sorry. Okay, let me do external CSS style. In the style tag, I am going to target table. Okay, sorry. In the style tag, I am going to target table. Okay, comma. Then I am going to target th. Then I am going to target td. Okay, then I am going to give them border. Border should be how much? 1px solid black. See, this is your cell. Now you are able to define that what is cells, what are the TD, what are the row. No problem, you will learn just when you start write code. Okay, now you are seeing that there is a gap between these columns. Okay, let's remove that. How we remove? By writing border collapse. Border less collapse. You will get the option, and the should be it will collapse. Save that. See, now I told you both things. These both look good. If you, I had done here two things. First, I target H1 by inline styling, and I target table by external styling. No, sorry, by internal styling. Okay, there are three type of styling. I told you earlier that inline, external, and internal. Okay, this is internal styling, and that is inline styling, and one more styling is there. I told you by target by targeting the element by id and class. I will teach you, but later, because that will hodgepodge if I going to study you now. Okay, so style the table. If you set a background color in each cell and give the border white, the same as the document and the background, you will get the impression invisible border. Okay, let's do it. How it happened? Okay, first I target three things. I am going to target in internal CSS the th, then td. Two thing I am going to target. The target should be background color, should be in should be 9 6. There's D4, I think. D4. D4. This is the color. Save that color. See. Okay. Now one thing more. That color is white. Will look great. Save that. See. This happens. This type you can play with your web page. You can change it anything. Just see this. Looking like your timetable that you are that you had seen in your class school time. That is, this is the here we get the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the period should be there and the timings are there. Okay, let's round the table. One more thing here, by writing. See, the border is, you have to just, you have to play with the, just play with the things which is inside this. If you, there are many values that allowed in border styling. The border should be dotted, dashed. You will get the option, the border should be here. We can do it dotted, double, dashed, solid, groove, rigid, inset, outset. You will get everything. Let's do it by dotted. Save it. See, the border is dotted. If you see, you are not able to see, just let's change the color. Black. The color should be black. See, now you are able to see the dotted. Okay, border. You change the border color by writing border color property. Just change everything. This is the thing that you have to play with the elements in the HTML. Okay, let's style the width and height property, that they change the size of the table. Okay, let's do this with this in the table. Let's styling style, and the width should be 100%. Save this. See, the width is 100%, means the page, it will contain the whole page. Okay, it will contain the whole page. Okay, let's change in this also. It should be 50%. See, okay, in 50% it will get the half, 40% in the percentage you will get the easy mode. Okay, the table column, you can change the table column bit by writing. Let's do it. Okay, put it here, inline styling style, the same thing I'm doing, style, and the width should be width should be 60%, or just let's get 60%. Okay, 60%. Save the video, save the page, and see, the weights is get by this company is 50 60%, 60%, and that is 20 20, means 40%. Okay, okay, by this you can change it by just practice the code. And if you have done any doubt, just comment below the video. I'm always with you. Let's change the height. Height is change, that style. I'm using inline styling. Okay. Sorry, control that. I'm using inline styling. You must use inline in internal for only practice. I will taught you about external, about ID classes later, because now you will get hodgepodge. Our motive is just to give you a right knowledge. Okay. See, the row get 200 pixel. The row get 200 pixel. Just you are playing with the things which is inside the HTML. No need to that you have to that do something, and just you have to play with that. Okay. And the thing, there are tables headers can define as the th. Earlier I told you. And let's do something. Let's make something. Okay. So that you will comment it out, these whole things. Let's comment this. How you can comment? By selecting this control plus slash. These whole things will get commented. Okay. Just comment this also. Sorry, I think something. No, just comment this also. Make another table, that is table, and just get a table row. Inside the table row there should be table heading. I'm getting the heading. The heading should be name. Name is there, and another th, that is age. Age. Create another row, that is tr, and it will contain the names. No, td, and the name should be, that is name is Shubham. Okay. Then another td, it is just 50. td, and age should be 50. Just name. These are, I'm going to tell you that how it happens. Okay. Name, then age. Okay. Just you can make the role, just save it and see that what happening. It is looking that odd. Let's make in the names, create two, call span. It is going to take two columns. See, it is going to take two columns, and just style this. Uncomment this. Same. See, just save that and see what's happening. But I don't want this border radius. I don't want, and this also I don't want. I want this solid. Save that. See, the name is Shubham Tiwari, and it is inside the name. Okay, if I want to collab this, I can do. Okay, no need to have any that trouble. Okay, so be with us. We are going to study in the next video that cell padding, how we can give the padding, how we can row padding, and these are the more and more we are going to study. But before that, just subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and so that you will get the notification of our further videos, because this is the best course. I am really saying this is the best course in the whole YouTube, and I am going to teach you personally. If you are commenting below the video, if you are going to just subscribe the channel, and thank you.